Adjusting the Z offset of a 3D printer is a crucial step to ensure the adhesion and quality of the first layer of the printed object. Here are the general steps for adjusting the Z-axis offset. 1. Click on Z offset. Typically, you can adjust the distance between the nozzle and the platform by increasing or decreasing the Z offset. This is usually done in small increments, typically in millimeters. 2. Determine the adjustment direction. Before starting the adjustment, it's important to determine whether to increase or decrease the Z offset. If the first layer appears loose, with round lines and not tightly adhering to the platform, it indicates that the Z offset is too high, and you need to decrease the Z offset. If the first layer is overly compressed, causing filament to not extrude properly, it indicates that the Z offset is too low, and you need to increase the Z offset. The ideal state is when the first layer lines are flattened, smooth, and adhere well to the platform. 3. Perform fine-tuning. Adjust the Z offset, ensuring that the distance between the nozzle and the platform is 0.1 mm. Note, this is not the 0.1 mm displayed on the screen, but the actual observed distance between the nozzle and the platform. You can also use a regular sheet of paper as an aid. Adjust the offset until the nozzle just lightly touches the paper. 4. Repeat adjustment. Based on the results of test printing, if further improvement in print quality is needed, repeat the above steps, fine-tuning the Z offset until the desired printing effect is achieved.